This was their second consecutive summons of Indigo officials by DGCA. Indigo is likely quizzed over operational failures, restoration of flights, and also revised flight schedules. This is the big news that we're being told at this time, that DGCA and Indigo CEO and officials have left from the DGCA office after meeting with the DG. This is over operational failures that we have seen. One of the 4 FOI suspended has been in. We've also been given details about the DGCA suspending 4 flight. Details also coming in right now that this was the second consecutive summons of Indigo officials by DGCA. Indigo is likely quizzed over operational failures. Let me go across to Shambhavi, who's joining us live on the story. Shambhavi, a few days earlier, you were reporting from the Indigo headquarters in Gurugram, where there was 24/7 monitoring being done of the flights. Second consecutive summons of Indigo officials. What could possibly have been the kind of questioning, quizzing of the operations that could have been done of the Indigo officials?
See, likely the topics that were brought up in the meeting were regarding the operational failure. A. B would be what is their revised schedule, because DGCA has asked Indigo to file a revised, updated update every 15 days till their operations get back to normal. And even DGCA, after being slammed by the Delhi High Court, has taken several steps, be it suspending 4 flight operating officers, or be it deploying a dedicated team at the Indigo headquarters to make sure that their everyday operations, day-to-day operations are being taken care of. And now even Indigo, in a new update, has appointed an external aviation expert to help figure out what was the root cause of this entire operational failure. Although Indigo has largely maintained that the main issue behind this entire Indigo crisis was the failure in making a proper roster, and their failure to assess the number of employees or pilots which were needed in compliance with the phase 2 of the FDTL rules. So these are likely the topics which would have been brought up in the meeting, and this is the second time that the Indigo CEO was summoned by DGCA. We're yet to see what further actions are taken from the government and DGCA's end in regard to this Indigo fiasco. Back to you.
Thank you for giving us those details.